that forms a level of trust. Again, we are how we show up, how we communicate something. It's not so much the words. Remember, 7% is words. 38% is tone of voice. Now, one of the big challenges that we fall into in business as well as in private life, it's starting to show up a lot more. People are we relying on written conversation. We're relying on WhatsApps, sending quick messages through. People cannot hear you. It's so important for us to realize that. People cannot hear it. I have only later on in life realized is writing in capital letters means I'm shouting. Fortunately, we have now got emojis. We've got emojis where we can actually add, because when I put a heart emoji, the other person is actually realizing, okay, this is meant in a loving way. This person is not fighting. So we need to make sure when we communicate, whether it's verbal, our tone of voice comes through, when written conversations, our tone of voice comes through too.